Welcome to the Day 12 quiz from the Bible Suite's Bible Eating Guide. Today you should have read Job 32 to 34, which covers Elihu, who's a younger man, and he's just stepping in to argue that God is just and he uses suffering to teach and correct. There's 11 questions in today's quiz, and you'll have 15 seconds to answer each one. If this is your first time here, you can follow along with us and grab my Bible Eating Guide right here, or you can check the description. And don't forget to let me know how you guys do in the comments. I actually do want to know. All right, let's get started. Okay guys, that was Job 32 to 34, and don't forget to let me know how you did in the comments because I do want to know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.